Namaste students. In this video we are going to find HCF of given three numbers. Let's read the question. Find the highest common factor HCF or greatest common factor GCF of 108, 144 and 60 by prime factorization method. So as we discussed in the previous videos, here also we need to find first prime factors. Let's begin with first number. They given the first number as 108. We wrote 108 like this, and we need to draw the straight lines. And once we draw the lines and all, here I wrote all the prime numbers less than 20. Now we will start to expressing this 108 into product of these primes. We know that this 108 is a even number. It is divisible by first prime. We chosen first prime 2. We wrote it in here. After dividing this 108 from highest place to lowest place, we'll start dividing this 108 by 2. 2 5s are 10. 10 minus 10, we get remainder as a 0. We got quotient as a 5. And after that, next digit is 8. 2 4s are 8. 4 I wrote. We get quotient as 54. Again 54 is a even number and it is divisible by first prime. We chosen 2. We wrote 2 at in here. 54 by 2. Again 2 2s are 4. 5 minus 4, we got 1. Then 1 and 4 14. 2 7s are 14. 14 minus 14 0. We got quotient as 27. This 27 is a odd number. It is not divisible by first prime. Next prime is 3. We know that directly it is divisible by 3. We chosen 3. 27 by 3, we get a again quotient as 9. 9 is a composite and odd number. It is again not divisible by first prime 2. It is divisible by 3. We wrote 3 at an here. 3 3s are 9. We got a quotient as a 3. 3 is the prime number. So hence here we will stop. All the prime factors of 108, I wrote 2 came 2 times. We wrote 2 times. 3 came 3 times. We wrote 3 times at an here. Same way we will find the prime factors of another number, second number, that is 144. We will write 144 like this and we will draw the straight lines. And we know that this 144 is a even number. It is divisible by first prime. We chosen first prime. 144 we will divide by 2. Next we will get 14 as the first two digits. 2 7s are 14. 14 minus 14, we get remainder as a 0. Next digit is 4. 2 2s are 4. We get a quotient as 72. Again 72 is a even number and it is divisible by 2. We chosen 2. We wrote 2 at an here. 72 we will divide by 2. 2 3s are 6. 7 minus 6, we get again remainder as 1. 1 and 2 12. 2 6 are 12. 6 we wrote quotient, we got 36. Next again if you look at this 36 quotient, it is even and composite number. Again it is divisible by 2. We wrote 2. 36 we will divide by 2. 2 1s are 2. We got remainder as a 1. 16. 2 8s are 16. 8 we wrote. We got total quotient as 18. 18 is again a even and composite number. It is divisible by first prime. We wrote first prime. 18 by 2, we get a quotient again as a 9. 9 is a odd number and it is not divisible by first prime. Next prime is 3. We wrote 3 here. 3 3s are 9. 3 we wrote here. 3 is the prime. Once we get this prime, we need to stop. Hence all the prime factors of 144 equals to 2 came 4 times. We wrote 2 4 times at an here. 3 came 2 times. We wrote 3 2 times. Same way we will find prime factors of 60. So we took this 60 and we will write like this. Again we know that this 60 is a even number. It is also a composite number. It is divisible by first prime 2. We wrote 2. 60 by 2 means 2 3s are 6. 3s are we wrote. We got remainder as a 0. Next 0 is there, 2 zeros are 0. We got quotient as 30. Again 30 is a even and composite number, it is divisible by 2. Again after dividing this 30 by 2 we get quotient as 2 ones are 2, 1 is a remainder, then it forms the number 10, 2 5s are 10, we get quotient as 15. Again 15 is a composite and odd number, it is not divisible by first prime, we left first prime. Next prime is 3, we chosen, it is divisible by 3. 3 5s are 15, we know that 5 is a prime number, we need to stop. Hence prime factors of 60 equals to 2 came 2 times, we wrote 2 times, 3 1 time, 5 1 time. Next step, we need to underline the common primes. So 2 is the common, here also it is present, here also it is present, we done underlining. One more 2 will check, it is also a common factor of all the given 3 numbers. 3, this is 3 1 3 here, another common factor of a 3. This 3 is a common factor of 108 and 144, not a common factor of 60, we left. Even this 3 also only a factor of 108, not even common factor of 144. Next we have these two also not a common prime factors. 5 is also not a common factor. We got common factor as 2 into 2 into 3. If we find the product of these primes, we will get the HCF. So that is 2 into 2 4, 4 into 3 12. 12 is our HCF of 108, 44 and 60.